Pardon me. Come on, relax. Wow, that's great.
Do you believe in love at first sight? You gotta love 'em.
Want to get scared out of your mind?
Mama always told me to share, and with crazy talk, I can send Lieutenant Dan talking digital photos of me in my email.